Happy birthday, dear Atlas.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Where is he? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atlas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Atlas.
Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness. 8. You're 8.
That means he's way taller.
8 is great. Good morning. How are you doing?
Can I put back the gate though?
Good morning, miss. Hi. Come now. What's wrong?
These people are crackers.
Never mind. Come inside. Momo. When little boy turned 8.
I can't believe it.
You remember what we got through when we in a labor with this child? And to think is, of course, it didn't give me trouble. Of course, it's that loss. My God. From his born till now. He's 8. Yeah. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Everybody is growing up. I can't believe that Atlas being the little baby that born the other day is 8 years old. Man, let me tell you. Jackson, yeah. We're so grateful. So we're going to celebrate little guy all day. Hey, your brother is 8. Can you say happy birthday, Atlas? You sang happy birthday already? Good girl. Okay, well, let's get ready.
No.
Look at me. Let's get ready.
No.
Come on, let's go for a drive. Okay, alright. You can wear that. You don't have to change. You can wear that. So it's Atlas's birthday, and one of his requests was
Ice cream for breakfast.
Maureen. No. You just have to sit up for little Atlas. It's very tough.
It's fine. I'll take it.
No, but I can't scoop it. Press the top of that coffee makeup on me, Atlas. Press the top button. Thank you. You too? But Jesus. Alright, here.
Oh.
So I'm heading to the gym now. I'm gonna take these items with me. Haven't been to the gym in a little bit, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Hey, happy birthday.
Birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Bunky. Happy birthday, big boy.
Thank you.
Looking forward to a good day. Looking forward to a good day. Yes, sir. What time you woke up?
I woke up like 2 million hours ago.
Oh, yeah. Excited?
I woke up 2 million hours ago.
Mm-hmm.
In mom's belly when I woke up. From mom's belly. That's probably 2 million hours ago. Like 100 billion hours ago.
Go and make sure you have a good day, okay? Alright, Mr. 8-year-old. I'm going to carry Jackson to Pep now and come back.
Can I come for the drive?
You want to? Anything you want to do today, you do. That is it.
And just like that, we are back in the grind. The gym is done and dusted. I have a kick and scream for go camp today, but she made it in the end. And Jax is doing his thing, and now I'm going home to see how the rest of the clan are doing. But you know, my gym going is a daily reminder that, you know what, you got this. You can make time for yourself. However you need to move your body, move your body. It is so important. Also, over the weekend, I celebrated 4 years of quitting smoking, which is such a big deal. As many of you know, I used to smoke cigarettes. And for the record, I used to smoke a lot of cigarettes. I was not a casual smoker. I was a chain smoker and completely addicted. And so I came up onto 4 years this weekend of quitting, which is by far one of the hardest things I've ever done. Breaking addiction is not easy, but every day I am so grateful that I held and continue to hold that commitment to myself of not smoking. I had my first cigarette when I was a teenager, and so it was a long road to breaking that addiction, and I finally kicked the habit 4 years ago solidly. So I had quit a few times before, but I had never been successful. And so it's so funny because literally in the midst of COVID is when I stopped, which if you know, high stress times, and it's one of the hardest times to choose to break an addiction. But I had no choice. There just came a point where I was like, enough is enough is enough. And so I quit. And it's one of the best things I've ever done for myself. I talk about it all the time on here because I hope that it can encourage somebody to do the same and break whatever addiction you might have holding on to you. One of the first reasons why I was able to, really hold that commitment to myself, believe it or not, it wasn't anything like, because of my health or because of my children. Obviously those are huge factors. My husband, my family, my friends. It took me away from everybody all the time because I had to go hide in one corner and smoke or whatever. But one of the biggest things is actually realizing and calling myself an addict. And I didn't think I was an addict. I never thought of myself as an addict. I thought addiction was for drug users or, so I'd never called myself an addict. And it was not until I acknowledged that I was an addict that I was able to then make steps towards breaking the addiction. I've used quitting smoking in so many different areas of my life. Like I've applied so much of that same, willpower, as you would have it, so much of that same discipline to other areas of my life, like editing this blog, going to the gym. Yeah, I just want to apply it to the eating now, people. That's what I want to know. Actually, my next addiction to break is my sugar addiction. No lie. And sugar is in everything, so it's hard. But a lot of people don't realize that they're addicted to sugar too, Anyway, that's my TED Talk for today. Thank you for coming. Heading home now, and I'll catch up with you there.
Momo, where you going with over there, sir? You look like something blew up on you, sir. Eh? Who for that? Parish for who?
Here.
But you not tell me say I couldn't parish for me. How can I have surprise parish this?
I cook it for the boys and I say, me leave some for you. But sure me know say I love things cool.
Okay.
Put it in a microwave and I hot it up.
And it a bubble up.
And it a bubble.
So can't mean parish tea. It have a mind of its own, when it's hot. Thank you though. I appreciate it. I don't eat nothing from morning.
Party started.
What is it?
He said, let's get this party started. Him just invite everybody come eat food. I wanted to have a small family dinner, and I don't know what it turned into. Cause I hear him on the phone. Hi, Tisha. Hear him on the phone. Come for dinner now tonight. Come hungry. So him tell people, come hungry. He might tell people, say, come hungry. What kind of man this? But come hungry. Have money, can pay bill. Yeah. A message from Nana.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atlas. Happy birthday to you. I remember very, very clearly the day you were born, the night you were born. You were supposed to be born on my birthday, but you refused to. You said, I don't want to share my birthday with Nana. I want my own birthday. And therefore, you did, sweetheart. You're a lovely young man, and you're growing up just the way you ought to. And I'm so proud of you. And I love you, and I miss you, and I'll soon come and see you, okay? But just remember this, you are an amazing young man, and just stay the way you are, sweetheart. Okay? I love you.
Love you too.
Love you very much.
Love you too.
Aww, isn't that great? And funnily enough, as she mentioned, yesterday was Nana's 74th birthday.
And look. The TV.
And she actually sent us a message for MTM family, so I'm gonna put that in now as well.
Hi, MTM family. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah. Who would sing that song again? I don't remember, but I love it. It's my birthday. Yes, guys, it's my birthday. I've been having a wonderful time. I'm thankful for being here. Some people don't get to be here at 74. So I'm very grateful and very thankful. And I just wanted to share a few little things. I got lots of flowers. I hope this... There you go. Flowers, 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 flowers. Just wanted to say hi to you all and to share my birthday with you all. And also to tell you I'll soon be there. Yeah. Okay, love you. Take care, MTM family. From the Nana Fowl.
What was the question?
Why do babies cry when they're born? But I was telling him when he was born, and we saw this beautiful birthmark.
So you didn't mark it?
We said, oh, that's our baby.
You didn't mark it?
And there's no mistake, no. And so we couldn't get you mixed up with any baby in the nursery, because we had a son that had a special birthmark from God. God put his stamp on you and said, my boy this.
God can have it. It's a Tami boy.
And I kissed it like this when I saw it. I said, oh, no. You remember that, Wayne, when you showed me? You showed me the birthmark. You're like, Tam, there's a special mark on his neck. And then when Ivy was born and we saw that she had one right here, we said, geez and peas, the two of them connected. Yep. Us does this very cool thing called, what's it called?
A cup song?
A cup song? Okay, ready?
Cup song. Alright, let's go, birthday boy.
Did you teach yourself that?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Sick.
Give me one more time. See, is that easy? High five. Alright.
Bad. Tami, what you say? Ready?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just going down memory lane with my boy.
What?
Looking at all of these videos.
Come, we could go in the car and talk.
Oh. Atlas was 8 pounds 10 ounces when he was born.
8 pounds 10 ounces.
And he gave me the hardest labor and delivery. You remember? I went so far. I tried to do a home delivery, and it was a VBAC. Because I'd had a cesarean section with Jackson, and I wanted to not have a cesarean section, and that was a whole lot of drama. Anyway, I think it was about maybe 17 hours at home before we actually went to the hospital. Ended up going to the hospital, ended up getting an epidural, ended up dilating to 10 centimeters, ended up pushing, and he was like, hope you had fun, but we're not doing this way. Ended up in a emergency cesarean section.
Tami, you know me, meds? on birthdays is really parents must celebrate, you know,
say,
and be celebrated, you know.
say,
No, really talk, you know.
and a high five.
You put in 9 months of hard baking, and then even before that, me put in 9 minutes of hard baking.
Wait, I was gonna say.
I them for buy present and them something there from birthday. We need to consider that. Humanity needs to consider how we celebrate birthdays.
And then 8 years of hard work. High five again. Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Trust
Believe
me.
in the G, you put in the
Trust
work.
me, you too, and we still a go.
And
Don't worry, the work never end. Don't feel like say yesterday Atlas never get in trouble 10 times. One at a time, I cuss.
Tami have to beg for him in the evening.
Me say him give it to you know people. Believe you me. And let me say something. There is something about raising Titan, right? It's not easy.
Are you wrong for name the picnic
Me
Atlas?
should have called him Meek. Anyway, my point is that it's not easy. You guys do applaud us all the time, but you don't see the hard moments that happen all the time. The times when he's, you know, and not just him, all of them are being children. But mercy, you know, when you're up on your last, so Atlas tiptoes on our last nerve. He tap dances on our last nerve all the time.
She named the picnic Atlas Levy, and from that picnic band, me have to say Atlas Levy. Don't touch it. Levy.
Anyway, we're gonna go take care of Atlas. We asked him what he wanted, and he said he wanted to have dinner. And don't ask me how it has become such a big dinner, but we're taking him for dinner
Everybody
later.
who Atlas say, Atlas invite.
Yeah, so we also wanted to pick up a gift for him that he has wanted for a long time. So we're gonna go see about that as well. We're doing the best we can. We are fresh off of the heels of Sumfest. We are tired as well. So, but thankfully our kids aren't the type of kids who wake up and expect to see like presents, and it's just not our way. It's just not the way we have done things over the years. So they don't really expect it, and so sometimes it's that way, sometimes it's not that way, but they're pretty good about it, so I'm grateful for that.
We've trained them to know that our presents
It's presents,
are the
you know.
presents.
No. As a girl who didn't grow up with birthdays and all that stuff, I mean, I also know that you're fine, you know.
We were
and
never fussy about those
never.
things either in my household.
Exactly, right? So it's nice
It
to
is what it is.
yeah, but no, I mean, if you want to do that in your household, that's between you and yours.
Absolutely.
So do you, boo. Anyway, we're gonna go do us now, and we will catch up while we're on the road. Atlas, you sure you want to come with us on the road, bro?
Yeah.
Come try it out. What do you say?
Thank you, mommy.
And
Daddy.
oh boy, where are we going to ride this now? We need to clear out a space.
Outside. Oh
We
yeah.
can have a little whiz around at like Antitesis or somewhere. Yes, it is. Careful, Oz. Okay, as we find back the little one. That's a Ozzy or someone to kill pillow.
Why am I going so fast? Tell me how I'm going so fast.
So smooth. Yeah, smooth.
So, a really good friend of mine has a really cute business called Something Nice GA, and I ordered some cake toppers very last minute for the boys' cakes, and I just wanted to share them with you. I only looked at one, I haven't looked at the others. Oh, this is Atlas's own. Isn't that great? So this will just go in the top of the cake. It says Atlas, and they don't know about this, so this will be a surprise. But you know, when you do something a little special on the cakes, they get very excited. Oh, look at this one, Jackson. And then we did one for Ozzy as well. And these you can actually put up and use again and again. And she makes like acrylic ones too. And here is Mr. Ozzy. Oh, I chose a red for Oz because I just thought it was so cool. And then, fun fact, I just did one happy birthday sign that I will use for all of the cakes. So, love that. Just thought I'd share that with you. You guys know I love to share whenever I have these cute finds. What time is it now?
Time to sleep.
Oh, I wish.
People,
I wish.
suppose I tell you, say, me have jet lag. I'm gonna go a ferry.
Jesus, Wade.
Some fest give me a dry land jet lag. You ever hear about that?
Jesus.
Dry land jet lag. New term.
Jesus.
The hours that we keep in a some fest make you feel like our body go to Africa or go to Europe, and I try to readjust to a different time zone. I say because the next day you're not getting no sleep back to catch back the day.
You never said that true, I think.
I'm completely scrambled right now.
I'm discombobulated.
But
That's a fact. No, I'm mashed up. I'm mashed right up.
and you
Mashed
have
like
a gym.
mashed banana. Yeah, but you go pick a ball last night.
Yeah, me know.
Come right here and put me down for a nap. What you say? You see, people, this is what Wayne isn't telling you. Wayne will catch a nap in the day. Don't fret about him. Just like all wives and girlfriends know out there. Them man, them are
Here with
sleep.
she got ask for the time, she got block off the time, she got take the time, but guess what she got in there do? Nah sleep.
Work.
In there on her phone, nah sleep.
Work.
Come out back with the same tiredness.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. Wayne is fast asleep. Must be nice.
And then now, Momo, look at it. How foreign print for you, so. Eh? Boy, if you didn't even try for IT, they go away. They look for you. No, man.
Jesus!
Look at that. Hold on, foreign print for you too, Momo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atlas. Happy birthday to you. Bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.